Good morning, students. Myself Jitendra Kumar Jha, St. Michael Academy Betia, present here with the topic of mathematics for Standard 7. Today's topic is profit and loss inside the comparing quantities. Lesson number 7. We have already discussed so many formula, and the task was given to you all to remember all the formulas so that you will be able to discuss or solve the problems easily. Hope that you might have remember it. Now, from exercise 7e, the question number B of 1 is 1A I have already discussed is CP is equal to rupees 500. CP is equal to rupees 500. Profit is given. Profit is rupees 25. The box is made. In the box of the profit it is written 25. So no matter of loss, when it is profit, then we have to find the profit percent. Since CP is given, we have to also find the SP and profit percent. SP is equal to what? Profit percent is equal to what? Profit percent is equal to. We have to find these two things. So SP is equal to CP plus profit. So this is equal to rupees 500 plus 25 is equal to rupees 525. Now the profit is already given, so profit percent is equal to profit into 100 by CP. So this is equal to profit percent, profit into 100, 25 into 100 by CP is 500. 20 to 20 cancel and 5 to 25 5 times. So this is equal to 5%. Question number 2 is CP is equal to, question number 2 is Kanchan bought a 2-in-1 set for rupees 2000 and sold it for rupees 1950. Find the loss or gain percent. CP is equal to rupees 2000. SP is equal to rupees 1950. So again it is a case of loss. That is why loss is equal to CP minus SP. This is equal to rupees 2000 minus rupees 1950 is equal to rupees 50. And loss percent is equal to loss into 100 by CP. So this is equal to loss is 50 into 100 by CP is 2000. 20 plus 20, 10. This is equal to 5 by 2 equal to 5 by 2%, 1 by 2, 2.5%. Question number third is, it is written in the language form, but finally we come to know by selling an article for rupees 9,900, Sasank gains 10%. Find the CP. So SP is equal to, we can summarize it and write it. SP is equal to 9900. SP is equal to, profit is given. Profit is given 10%. SP is equal to 5. We have to find CP. The formula for CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus profit percent. 100 plus profit percent into SP. Write the formula, insert the values given. The values are 100 by 100 plus 10 into SP is equal to 9900. This is equal to 100 by 110 into 9900. 102 10. 11 9 99 0. So multiplying it, 9 1 9, 0 0 0. So the CP of the article is 9,000. So question number 5. Question number 5 is, by selling a TV for rupees 24,000, a shopkeeper makes a profit of 20%. Find the CP of the TV. SP is given. By selling a TV, SP of TV is given 24,000. Profit is given. Profit is given 20%. Profit is given 20%. Now we have to find out the CP. So CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus profit percent. SP of a TV is given, profit is 20%, so CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus profit percent. 100 by 100 plus 100 by 100 plus profit percent into SP. So this is equal to 100 by same type of problem is into 20 into SP is given 24,000. This is equal to 100 by 120 into 24,000. 0 to 0, 12 2 ja 0 0. So 2 1 ja 2, 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0. 2 2 4 0. So this is the CP of the TV. Now the next one is question number 7. It was question number 5. It was question number 5. Now the question number 7. The question number 7 is, Tushar bought a mobile phone for rupees 6,000. At what price he should sell so as to gain 10%? Here CP is equal to CP is given, the CP of Tushar is given 6,000 rupees, 6,000 and gain is 10%. Tushar bought a mobile phone for rupees 6,000. At what price he should sell it? SP we have to find out. And SP we have to find it sell so as to gain 10%. Gain is also given. Gain is equal to 10%. You have to find out the SP. The formula for SP is 100 plus profit percent by 100 इंटू CP. सब फार्मूला का खेल है जो अगर आपने फार्मूला याद कर रखा है तो ये सारा सवाल बनाना आसान है, इसलिए मैंने पहले ही आपको सारे फार्मूले लिखकर याद करने का होमवर्क दिया था। अब इसमें आप वैल्यू डालिए 100 प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू 10%, सो प्लस 10 बाई 100 इंटू CP इज गिवन 6,000. Only this is nothing but simply the simplification. कभी कभी बच्चे 0 से 0 ऐसे काटते हैं, बीच में प्लस है, आप उस स्थिति में पहले इसको उनको जोड़ना है। 100 110 बाई 100 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 6,000 10101010. So this will be 11 6 66 and we have 6600 is the SP of the mobile, so that he will gain 10%. Children, you have to solve. The homework is exercise 7E. You have to remember the formula first and have to solve accordingly. Thank you, children.